Hi guys, so one of the things we're going to do this week is kind of look at defense proteins, right? So we're talking about the importance of proteins. So your essential questions here are going to be like, what is an antibody made of? How do they work? And what makes them specific? Okay, and here's some new vocabulary for you. So what I want to do is go over this little drawing that I made here for you about antibodies, okay? And then you can click through the rest of the slides when you click on your link. So an antibody is a Y-shaped protein, okay? And basically it's just amino acids that fold up. So if you look here, I kind of drew some squiggles, right? They fold into specific shapes. And remember, shape equals function. So here on the ends, we get this antigen binding site. And the antigen is a specific sort of protein, right? A marker, if you will, on each pathogen. So you can see here I have two different pathogens, right? Pathogen 1 and pathogen 2. So a pathogen is any sort of bacteria or virus that can cause some sort of disease, right? So our immune system is going to hopefully learn what those are and build these antibodies. If it's seen the pathogen before, it already has memory for those antibodies. If it hasn't seen the pathogen, it's going to take a while for our body to figure that out. Okay, so here we go, right? These antibodies can hook to this little pathogen, and then they basically make it so it cannot infect any more cells. They mark it for destruction, and your body takes care of it. Okay, now you can see that this pathogen won't fit in my antigen. So this pathogen, if it got into our cells, would then go on and can cause an infection. Okay, these are the questions that you're going to answer in your notebook as you go through this. So what's an antibody made of? How do they work? And what makes them specific? Then when you continue on, I'd like you to watch the video on herd immunity and then read this article that's linked here, and in your notebook, write down 3 thoughts you have based on the video and the article. Okay, hope that helps.